Here we come to the ballroom elevators at the Hilton Americas Hotel in downtown Houston, Texas. These are Schindler 500A traction elevators with your EPCO, some type of EPCO fixtures. I don't know what they are called. We got the middle elevator car. I don't usually film in hotels for security reasons, but since I just passed here, I decided to do a take on these elevators. Button where I went out. 4. Alright, let's end down at 3. And we'll get a cab deal. This is a nice elevator. It looks like it just canceled my call. Button already went out. There it goes. And that will be it.